In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mark invoice as sent in Xero. We'll start on the Xero homepage. Make sure you're logged into the correct organization so you're working with the right set of invoices. From the main navigation, open the sales area. This is where Xero groups everything related to quotes, invoices, and customer payments. Inside sales, choose invoices to see the full list. You'll notice tabs or filters that let you switch between different invoice statuses, like draft, awaiting payment, and paid. For this walkthrough, we'll head to the Paid tab. Filtering to Paid is helpful when you need your records to reflect that an invoice was actually sent to the customer, even if payment has already been received through another channel. Select the paid invoice you want to update. That will open the invoice page with its header, line items, and activity history. At the top of the invoice, look for the checkbox that controls whether the invoice is marked as sent. Depending on your layout, it's typically near the invoice header or options area. This isn't the same as emailing the invoice. It's a record-keeping flag that tells Xero you've sent it to the customer at some point. Marking it as sent keeps your reporting tidy and can help with workflows that rely on whether an invoice was dispatched, such as follow-ups or internal reviews. Click the checkbox to mark the invoice as sent. Xero usually updates this immediately, and you may see a sent indicator appear. Again, this action does not send an email. It simply changes the invoice's status for tracking. If you actually need to email the customer, use the send or email button on the invoice instead. If you ever clicked it by mistake, you can typically uncheck it to remove the sent flag, provided your user role has permission to edit invoices. A couple of quick tips to keep things smooth. If you don't see the checkbox, confirm that the invoice is approved and not still a draft, since drafts behave differently in Xero. Interface labels may vary slightly depending on your region or any recent updates, but the flow remains the same. Go to Sales, open Invoices, filter as needed, open the invoice, then toggle the Sent checkbox at the top. That's it. You've marked your invoice as sent, ensuring your records accurately reflect what's been shared with the customer. Thanks for watching, and keep your invoicing clean and consistent by updating this flag whenever you send or reconcile customer invoices.